Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm sharing with you an order that I received from CoBeads, and I will link everything down below, all the stuff that I got from them. I'm just going to show you all of the different things that I chose from their site. This was a collaboration. They reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in trying some of their products, and as soon as I looked at their site, I was 100% sold on all of the products that they had. So this entire order was $35 US, and that included shipping. So just to give you an idea, but there are links down below with the individual prices for everything. So this first one that I have here, gorgeous heart charms. I love how thick and chunky they are. This is probably one of my favorite things that I was looking forward to out of everything that I ordered. Although it's hard to say that because I'll start with another favorite thing. I have been looking for these forever. I have seen my fellow crafters creating dangles with these adorable star lollipops. And they're not just any ordinary star lollipop. They have these glitter like bits inside of the stars, and I love these colors: purple, pink, yellow, and blue. Unbelievably gorgeous. I was so excited to get those. Like, can't you already start to see the dangle coming together here? Let's look at the next thing that's very pink. This whole order is very much all my favorite sort of pinky kind of colors. And let's see here, we've got some teddy bears. I'll point out the fact that all of these here have silver hangers on them. Like, so the metal parts are silver. So that's something to keep in mind when you're crafting, if you are trying to choose between gold and silver. These ones are all silver, and I love the ombre effect where you can see it starts off pink and then it goes down to a lighter sort of clear color. So fun, like just so cute. Another really fun, cute product here are these little teacups. They kind of look like milkshakes, but I think they're called like fruit drinks. And I'll show you like what one looks like inside. It's got all these sprinkles in there. So there's just 5 of those. Oh, and something to point out, I did not realize when I ordered these, they don't have charms, but they do have holes punched in the side. So you just need to put a jump ring on these guys, which is kind of handy because that way you can choose if you want the accent metal to be silver or gold. So that's kind of nice, actually. Where to start next? Okay, I'll start with these ones. So I ordered these in a previous haul that you may have seen me work with them, and I really loved them. And when I saw these pearls inside these square beads, I thought they would be really a nice addition to my collection. And I ordered these as well. But the thing I am sort of confused about, I ordered a set of 5 clear and a set of 5 pink. But these ones don't really look very pink to me. They have a tinge to them for sure, but they're not as pink as I was expecting. And again, the gold hardware on these guys. So that's something to keep in mind. But you can see them mixed in there. There's a tint to them, but not as pink as I was expecting them to be. Okay, let's go with these gold hearts. So these also have a bit of pink in them, which is very subtle. You can barely even notice it. And I thought it was going to be more obvious. And in fact, it doesn't even necessarily look very pink. I only know that it was pink because when I ordered everything, I was really going for very strong pink. So that would never clash with anything in particular. I could put that with a pink item, but the pink doesn't stand out as much as I thought it would, unless these are the hearts that I'm thinking about having the strong pink. And maybe those ones. So that's that. It's really hard to tell what it is inside, where this one you can clearly see it's very pink. There's a subtle line in there but the gold really stands out most on that. But honestly, like, I can never get enough charms when I'm making dangles, especially with pink in them. Actually, since we're talking about charms with pink, let's go for the last set of just these normal kind of gold charms that you're all used to seeing. And then I'll show you something pretty unique that I hadn't come across before. So these are adorable little cats, just cute. I liked the little critters there. Nice variety of shapes and themes. But these guys are something very original and unique that I had not seen before. And let's take a look at what these are like inside. I'm going to grab a piece of white paper so that you can see them up close. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Look at those little like flowers and hearts and pieces of, is it fruit? What do you think? Oh, I think they're just flowers, but they are really pretty. And I got 2 packages of those because I really liked this style here. And again, that's a gold accent on that one. There. Okay, these are funny. Very childish. Like lollipops are childish and gummy bears are childish, but there's something about them that doesn't feel like super kid-like, where these feel very like something I would put on a kid's bag or dangle specifically. Like, they're just adorable and cute. How would you call these little guys? Like they're little lambs, I guess. But super cute. So I have 5 of those, and they're a real standout. Again, the silver accent on the hardware for that one. And then last but not least, oh, actually not really last, actually very much indeed not last, but before I show you this project here that comes in the box, I will talk about the round nose pliers. I have tried to order round nose pliers in the past, and either they're too expensive, or I decide I want to get some other things, or one time I tried to order them and I didn't actually get round nose pliers. So this time I can show you that I actually have round nose pliers that I can use to create wire wrapped beads, and that is the main reason why I wanted these. And the last time I got just like a regular plier by mistake, and I don't know if I ordered incorrectly or I was sent the wrong thing, but I'm so glad that now I have a set of proper round nose pliers. Okay, and then the last one here that I was opening up for you is a set of these. I don't even know what to call them exactly, but they are basically a pendant where you can create a charm of your own, again, silver accents, and then you put the glass over top, and it creates a very interesting effect on the paper, as well as seals it in place. And you could use this to create necklaces, which I have made in the past, or you could use it to create a little charm of your own to put on a dangle. So that's what these ones look like on the back. There's just a plain silver, and I believe there are 10 in total here. So I was really happy to receive that, and I'm going to do some projects with these to show you all the things that I have planned for the materials that I have here, but they're just so cute, and I'm really looking forward to working with them. I've been super excited about like all these colors that come with the kit. Like, I can already start to put some of these items together and see like the gorgeous different designs and textures and colors that go really well together. So I think those are going to be really cute to work with. So thank you so much for watching. I'll leave links down below to everything here, and we'll see you again next time.